I know to a couple of you this was kind of an important thing to have like that positive culture, positive management. Okay, Patrick, thanks for stepping up. So Patrick says, in my PhD, I felt like my advisor was not a good manager. They didn't engage in my work at all, and I was constantly reminding them of what the status was. How does this compare to industry? Yeah, sure. That happens, right? There's plenty of cases where managers are overworked or just plain not keeping up with what you're working on, right? So yeah, that happens, Patrick. Where maybe they're scatterbrained or they're just not very organized, right? That definitely happens. Real Slim says someone who knows that you're talented enough. Yeah, okay, I get that. I can relate to that.